Hello everybody and welcome back to HTML Lessons Week 2. Today's concept is a little bit different. We're going to create a blog, a personal blog. So we have a folder here and this is my previous work. So let's start with a new file and name it as personalblog.html. I'd like you to remember first we were mentioning the document type. We have heads and bodies. Okay, so today I'd like to start with an image, a picture of myself. This is going to be a personal blog, so I'd like to start with my own photograph and show you how to put pictures. We create a paragraph and then img image. And CRS. So there's an important point. You should choose your pictures in the same folder. I mean, before you choose your picture, you should place it in the same folder which you put your work in it. This is Web Technologies folder, and I put all the photographs which I'm going to choose in here. Otherwise, it won't be accepted. So I'll choose this one. And let's run it. Here. Let's continue. I want to show you something. If I put Alt I wrote, "We are sorry for the error." What error? Let's see. If I put a random number, for example, it's not going to work. So let's try it. Yeah, we are sorry for the error. Let's fix it. Now I'd like to add another one. This time a heading. Let's start a paragraph first. This is going to be my first heading. I'm going to write down my name. Let's check if there's a problem or not. Yeah, there we go. Another one is I'd like to make it italic. Do you remember how we do this? EM. This is going to be my personal blog, but I'd like to show it in italic characters. So let's see if it works. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, what next? I have a paragraph. Okay, so we used to use BRs for new lining. Let's do this. It's quite easy. And another one goes here. Let's check. Yes. So, hello, this is my new personal blog for my travel writings. First, I'd like to introduce myself. I was born in Izmir. Oops, there's something wrong. I wasn't born in Izmir. I was born in Istanbul. So, what I'm going to do is I put Del, as you can remember, and I was born in Istanbul. Let's refresh and check. So, as you see, Izmir is overlined from now on. Okay, so what's next? What kind of changes? Do you remember the last week? We were highlighting, bolding, many things we may have. So let's make this one small. And what else? I like to highlight my university and bold my department. Okay. We were using B to to make those words bold, and let's have some fun. I'd like to superscript this number with 1. I know the result will be the same if we put 1. So, as you remember, if we type sup and 1 between them, this is going to happen. Tourism management is in bold and 9 Eylül University is highlighted 1 superscript. Next step, I'd like to put one more picture, but I want something special with that. What I'm going to do is putting my favorite song. I'm going to copy this link and put there. And target it as blank. And I will add an image. But first I have to end this. A section. And now okay, I think this was the problem and we solved it. So there, we're going to put our image. I'd like to choose that one. So Pergamon Theater. And one thing, we can change the height like 400 and width, for example, 250, and close this section. Let's see what happens. Yes, this is my picture, but I'd like to change the width. Let's refresh and see the changes. Yeah, pretty good. Or let's make it 500. Let's do that again. It's a little bit blurred, so I need to make it, let's say, no, 400 is good. Okay. Okay, perfect. So when I click on this picture, this is going to take me to my favorite song, ads. But you see, this is a YouTube link, and you see my pointer when I come to the picture and click. Let's listen. Okay. So finally, I wanna add my school's link as well. Another paragraph we're going to create. Click. Let's copy the link. Paste. And let's title it as 9 Eylül University homepage. And target parent this time. And I put here after A, I'll type to see my school. Okay. So after refreshing, this is what happens. Click here to see my school. And when I drag my pointer on here, you can see my school's name as we titled 9 Eylül University homepage. And when you click here in the same window, be careful. I mean, it's not opening a new window here. It's in the same. But you see when we put blank, it creates another window. When we use parent, it's in the same window. So this is today's class. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next week. Bye.